In other news, in a significant move which aims at reducing e-waste in the country, the Environment Ministry has tightened rules by putting the onus on manufacturers, dealers, retailers and refurbishers of electronic goods to ensure that electronic or e-waste is collected and scientifically recycled.
From the showroom to the junkyard. From now on, this journey will be closely tracked. The government has now asked manufacturers of all electronic products to either take back their old appliances or appoint recycling agents. Well, it's places like this where most electronic goods come to die. In fact, this is a part of an old computer and a CPU. It's now going to go and be melted and the metal recovered. Now, India generates roughly 17 lakh tons of electronic waste every year. That's growing by 5%. The majority of which is not recycled. The government wants to change all of that.
There is also a liability clause with financial penalty where the things are not getting collected scientifically and environmental loss is caused. Collection will be responsibility of producers only.
The government is also planning a cashback scheme for consumers who take their e-waste to authorized recycling centers, which mean even an old CFL bulb or a discarded mobile phone can pay you back.
There are few countries who are even exporting the second-hand electronics machinery and computer etc. in India, and they are being dumped in India. Similarly, in the electronics product, you will find that some of the things will have to be recycled, and that will reduce the cost.
India currently ranks 5th in the world in terms of dumping of e-waste. Making it mandatory on manufacturers to clean up is aimed at tackling the problem. In New Delhi, Siddharth Pandey for NDTV.